We have never understood the logic of DB Fernverkehr using its 300 kph capable ICE 3 sets down the twisty Rhine gorge route. It's not as if they tilt, but several times a day they do the sinuous run, the beneficiaries being Bonn, Koblenz and Mainz. The train is about to run through Bad Salzig. Passing the ore train is a unit automotive service. From the way the cars are bubble-wrapped, we guess they're VWs. The only logical originating plant for these would be Barcelona in Spain, the Seat brand, in which case the destination should be Cologne. Another possibility is that these cars are heading for Emden in North Germany, across the Ems from the Netherlands. At the port town of Emden, VW have an assembly plant and direct access to the quays for loading to ro-ro vessels, where they export and import. The famous VW Beetle is imported from Mexico, and the Audi brand is exported to the US and Canada.